Hey, this will be a video chart on GLD, which tracks the gold sector and just gold in general. The first thing, if you're not familiar with GLD, you'll see over here that the prices are a little off. Obviously, gold is trading for a lot more than $151 an ounce. This isn't measuring the exact price that you'd see, on MarketWatch or CNBC or anything like that. But the important part is it's measuring, or it's showing us the price movements and so forth, and that's really what we care about. What sort of price movements and price fluctuations is the chart seeing? So with that being said, there's a bunch of different economic opinions out there. There a dime a dozen for all sorts of different things, and I'm in the camp of I want to see a weak gold prices, weak oil prices, but a strong dollar. Now, like I said, there'd be a dozen opinions pop up that say why I'm wrong for thinking that, but that's just my personal economic overall, opinion on things. So I follow this chart very closely. The further this one falls apart, the better I feel about things. And same with the dollar chart. The further that one goes up, the better I feel about things. But with the gold chart, we are at a very kind of interesting and important crossroads here. From a charting perspective, it's not very, I should say, it's not too shocking to see that the price is hanging around down here at its current levels. But if we go back here, like I said, to this previous low back here in early 2012, you can see that that's exactly where gold found a bottom. And since then, more recently, that's right where the price has kind of been consolidating and going sideways. So, what I personally want to see happen, obviously, is to see gold crash through here, because if that happens, then the next level of support is not until down here, right around this level. And if we scrunch up the chart a little bit more, you can see that this level had plenty of history being a support level. So I'm going to scrunch this back up, but just remember where that level is coming from. So change this to green too, because this is a level of support. So these are going to be the two levels of support, and as you can see, if this level does fall, then there is quite a bit of a fall down to this next level down there. But that's obviously what I personally want to see happen, because I want to see gold get as weak as possible. Trend-wise, we have officially, well, not officially, we've been in it for a while. But the medium-term trend in gold is now bearish. That is seen by here. The downward sloping 50-day simple moving average tells us the medium-term trend is down. And more recently, actually, the overall long-term trend has slightly been going bearish, measured by the 200-day simple moving average. This is now sloping downwards. And if this level here falls, then this slope should become even more negative. So that's like I said, encouraging for me. That's what I want to see. But basically, all the trends in gold right now are down. Now, obviously, if we really scrunch this up, the overall trend in gold, if we were looking at the 300-day or 400-day simple moving average, that's going to be upwards. But from the charting perspective and what a lot of chartists use, the 50 and 200-day, both of those now have gone bearish. So overall, the chart I would consider bearish. And for those people playing it, they must be doing it from some sort of fundamental reason, because from the technical aspect, unless you're just playing it for a short-term bounce from this area of support, I don't really see any reason why you would want to touch this at this point in time. So that's just my take, my 2 cents on the gold and the gold sector in general. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. And also, if you want to, comment below. Let me know your thoughts on gold or just the economy in general. I'm curious to hear what you guys are thinking. Again, this was the GLD. Thanks for listening.